Yeah, friends, how are you? Today we are going to discuss on customize incorrectly maintained error comes during in SAP during service entry sheet in the T-code ML81N. Once we go to the screen in SAP, we put T-code ML81N, press enter. You find in the taskbar you find the error showing customize incorrectly maintained. So how to remove this? You again come back and put the go to debug mode /h, enter. Now you are in switching on to debugging mode. Now you again put ML81N, enter. Now you go to breakpoint and then create breakpoint at. So we will have to put the breakpoint in that particular message area. So we are putting breakpoint at statement, click on that, and here the message, say the message MESSAGE, okay, and press enter. Okay, now you go to the continue or put F8. Here you find this is the message. So what it is happening or what it is written, like if LV underscore T162V lines is not equal to LV underscore TC lines, then this message will appear. So friends, what is there in this parameter and this parameter? So if we double click on this, you see that the values is 504. Okay, so this variable contains value 504, and let us check in this value contains 492. So in this syntax it is written that this is not, if this is not equal to this, then message will appear. That means 504 is not equal to 409, so this message is appearing. So friends, what's the solution is, we will go to this table, that is T162V, and we will decrease this 504 to 492. Okay, then this message will go off. So we will remove this breakpoint, okay, and then come back. Now we will be going to SM30 table maintenance, and this is the table maintain, continue, continue. Here since there were 492 and 504, so let us check. The difference is 5, 4. So we will have to remove 12 data from here, okay, from this layout. So if we go down, and this is the zeros layout, so there are 6 layouts. So since there is 12 data to be removed, so 6 into 6 into 12, 6 into 2 is 16, I mean 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 means we will have to remove this. If we remove this 118 and 119 from this table, from this layout 0011, then our purpose will be solved. So I am deleting from 00, 118 and 118. Delete this. Again we come down, and delete this one's layout 18 and 19, that is ESL per S date and ESL E date, which is not required. So again come down in second layout as well, we'll have to remove these two and then delete it. Again we'll have to delete in third. Here it is 18 and 19, delete. Again we will go down for fourth layout. Here it is, oh, sorry, it's gone up. Here it is 18 and 19, delete. Again we go down for the fifth 18 and 19. So 12 parameters has been deleted and we will save it. Create a transport request and do not move it. Data was saved. Come back and again you check for ML81N. Okay guys, now you find the message has gone. So this is the error you find, and it is a very good learning. So guys, you follow this. I hope you understand. If you don't, call me back or give any comment, I will reply you back. Thank you.